Hello, in front of me I've got OMODA 5 EV. In this video I'll tell you about service schedule of this car. While the OMODA 5 EV is electric car that does not have petrol engine, it still requires service of AC, filters, fluids like brakes or coolant, also coolant of the battery and service of the battery, plus the whole bottom of the car with tires and wheels. Let's start with the service schedule. Service schedule is divided in three categories. We've got maintenance, like filters, oils, that should be done every 12,000 kilometers or annually. Next, we've got the brakes service that should be done every 2 years to check the brakes fluid and brakes efficiency. Also, every 2 years, you should check the battery capacity and performance. In 2 years, you should also check transmission fluid. This car does not have typical transmission because it's electric, so you have to check reduction gearbox oil. Every 5 years, you should perform inspection of the batteries. This is crucial for the battery maintenance and preserving its life. Don't forget each year to check for software glitches and failures. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.